Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is factorize 27x cube minus y cube. Here 27 can also be written as 3 cube. Therefore the expression becomes 3x whole cube minus y cube, and we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Therefore, 27x cube minus y cube becomes 3x minus y into 3x whole square plus 3xy plus y square, that is 3x minus y into 9x square plus 3xy plus y square. This is the required factorization. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is factorize y to the power 7 minus z to the power 7. We know that a to the power n minus b to the power n has a minus b as a factor if n is a positive integer. This gives a to the power n minus b to the power n as a minus b into a to the power n minus 1 plus a to the power n minus 2 into b plus a to the power n minus 3 into b square, and so on up to a into b to the power n minus 2 plus b to the power n minus 1. Therefore, we have y to the power 7 minus z to the power 7 as y minus z into y to the power 6 plus y to the power 5 into z plus y to the power 4 into z square plus y cube into z cube plus y square into z to the power 4 plus y into z to the power 5 plus z to the power 6. This is the required factorization. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is find the HCF and LCM of first 9x to the power 4 y square and 12x cube y cube, and second 6x minus 6y and 4x square minus 4y square. Taking up the first one, that is 9x to the power 4 y square and 12x cube y cube. We first factorize 9x to the power 4 y square and get 3 square into x to the power 4 into y square, and on factorizing 12x cube y cube we get 2 square into 3 into x cube into y cube. This gives HCF as 3x cube y square and LCM as 3 square into 2 square into x to the power 4 into y cube, that is 36x to the power 4 y cube. Taking up the second one, that is 6x minus 6y and 4x square minus 4y square, we get on factorization of 6x minus 6y 2 into 3 into x minus y, and on factorization of 4x square minus 4y square 2 square into x square minus y square, which can be written further as 2 square into x plus y into x minus y. This gives the HCF as 2 into x minus y and the LCM as 2 square into 3 into x minus y into x plus y, that is 12 into x square minus y square. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, simplify 3xy plus 1 into 2x square minus 3y. Multiplying first term of the first bracket by each term of the second bracket, we get 3xy into 2x square minus 3xy into 3y. Next, multiplying the second term of the first bracket by each term of the second bracket, we get plus 1 into 2x square minus 1 into 3y, that gives 6x cube y minus 9xy square plus 2x square minus 3y. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, simplify x plus y plus z plus 1 whole square. Clubbing up x and y and z and 1, we get the expression as x plus y plus z plus 1 whole square. Now, using the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we get the expression as x plus y whole square plus 2 into x plus y into z plus 1 plus z plus 1 whole square. Again, opening x plus y whole square and z plus 1 whole square, we get x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xz plus 2x plus 2yz plus 2y plus z square plus 1 plus 2z, which finally gives x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xz plus 2x plus 2yz plus 2y plus z square plus 2z plus 1. This is the required solution. Thank you.